Hey everyone, and welcome back to Nazira's Lifestyle channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to recreate this simple, quick and easy cauliflower curry. So without further ado, let's get into it. First of all, you take your cauliflower and you want to break it into small pieces. Next you want to wash it thoroughly and then you must dry it thoroughly, otherwise the cauliflower is going to get soggy. Once you've done that, then you need to coat your cauliflower with salt and turmeric, again a small amount of salt or depending on your preference. And then you want to fry it in a frying pan for about 10 or 15 minutes until it's light golden brown colour. As you can see here, I'm gently frying the cauliflower and I'm mixing it a bit just so that it coats evenly, the colour is even and it's fried evenly. Once I'm happy with how fried and cooked the cauliflower is, I'm then going to transfer the cauliflower onto a paper towel just so that any excess oil is drained from the cauliflower and soaked up by the paper towel. To begin the stir-fry element to a separate wok, I'm going to add in a small amount of olive oil like so. And then I'm going to let this oil heat up and add the first ingredient, which is some chopped onions. I'm then going to follow this up with one chopped tomato, followed by one chopped green chilli. Again, you can add as little or as much as you want. I'm then going to add a few curry leaves and a sprinkle of salt. Again, this is all entirely up to personal preference. You can add or subtract as much or as little of the ingredients as you like. I've then added in 1 small teaspoon of turmeric and chili powder and I'm giving this a light stir. I'm then going to let these ingredients gently cook on a low flame. I'm then going to cover the ingredients with a lid just to ensure that all of the flavours are locked into the ingredients and that they're being absorbed by the ingredients. And after about 5 or so minutes, I'm going to open the lid and just check that the ingredients have turned a light to medium golden brown colour and give this a really good stir before I add in my cauliflower. So I'm happy with the colour of my ingredients and then I'm going to add in the fried cauliflower and give this a really good stir. And I'm going to pretty much continue cooking this for about 5 to 10 minutes. Again, I'm going to put the lid over the ingredients just to ensure all of the flavours are locked into the cauliflower, the onions, and that all of the juices are absorbed by the cauliflower too. So after about 5 or 10 minutes, I'm then going to add in a bit of lemon juice. This is again to enhance the flavours that already exist in the stir fry. So I'm adding in a few drops, maybe half a teaspoon. I'm going to give the ingredients a thorough stir before I place the lid over them. And once thoroughly cooked, you'll notice that the cauliflower is a lot softer than it was initially. And to serve, I've placed it in a simple bowl. This dish can be had with rice, roti, paratha, bread, anything you wish. I personally prefer it with bread, although you can have a healthier version of it by having whole grain or switching to whole grain flour instead of regular white flour. So yeah, I hope you really enjoyed this dish. If you did, then please subscribe to our channel for similar content, give this video a thumbs up, and leave your comments in the comment section down below. Thank you so much. Until next time, bye!